So dear folks, this is another problem of linear programming model which we will be discussing. So in this problem, I will be simplifying the understanding of the problem so that you will be able to develop a linear programming model which you may solve through graphical method easily. Okay, let's begin with the problem. The Munchies cereal company makes a cereal from several ingredients. Two of the ingredients oats and rice. So the two are the ingredients are oats and rice. Inside vitamins A and B. The company wants to know how many ounces of oats and rice it should include in each box of cereal to meet the minimum requirement of 48 milligrams of vitamin A and 12 milligrams of vitamin B while minimizing cost. So constraints are 48 milligrams of vitamin A, 12 milligram of vitamin B. So you see over here, the X is the decision variables of ounces of oats in each box of cereal, and Y the decision variable of ounces of rice in each box of cereal. Objective is to minimize the cost. Let's move ahead. So an ounce of oats contributes 8 milligram of vitamin A. So ounce of oats contains 8 milligrams of vitamin A. Okay, here we have a constraint of vitamin E since the 48 milligram was given before. So the minimum requirement is 48 milligram must be there. That may be the need given by the nutritionist for any adult or kids cereals. And for the vitamin B, the 12 minimum requirement is given. And you see 1 milligram of vitamin B and 2 milligram of vitamin B, 1 milligram of vitamin B in oats and 2 milligram of vitamin B in rice is there. So you see we have developed the constraints accordingly. Non-negativity constraint must always be there because this is very much necessary because it tells that the decision variables values will not be lesser than 0. Objective function, as we already mentioned, minimization of the cost. So you see an ounce of oats cost 0.05 ounce of oats is x is representing the oats, and an ounce of rice costs 0.06 ounce of rice. So you see rice is there and 0.06 the cost. So cost into the quantity of oats, cost into the quantity of rice, you add up, and this is the objective function. So now you have a choice to solve this linear programming model through the graphical method. Thank you.